Hi guys, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become better version of themselves through a lot of trainings and development and mentoring. And I also help FRM and CFA students to clear their exam in their first attempt. So now this is a video that I've created only to address a small query which a lot of students have when they come to me also with respect to that query. The query is that should I do FRM level 1 and CFA level 1 together? Okay. Now the answer to this query is yes, you can do it, or what you can do is you can go for FRM level 1 first and then go for CFA level 1. The reason being the kind of content that you're going to be covering in FRM level 1 is very detailed. That means if you're cleared FRM level 1, your 40% of your CFA level 1 is almost done. Okay, your quant is done, portfolio management almost done, you have fixed income derivatives almost done, almost. Okay, so 40% is almost done. So for CFA level 1, it will be easy because you can only focus on those other topics or other books like FRA, economics, ethics to clear the exam. That is one part. Second part being that when you look at CFA level 2 also, whatever content that you've seen in FRM level 1 is so detailed that it is also repeated in your CFA level 2. So roughly in CFA level 2 also, you can find your 40% content almost done. Okay, so if you look at again the quant, portfolio management, fixed income, derivative, to a certain extent your equity also is covered in the FRM level 1 examination. So if you're planning to give both the exams together, FRM and CFA, and you're concerned about whether I should go for FRM level and CFA level 1 together, okay, that is also possible. Or else you can order or structure it in this way that your FRM level 1 is cleared, you then go for CFA level 1, then for CFA level 2, and then complete FRM level 2 and then go and do the CFA level 3. That is also a very good combination to go for the exam. Okay, now I'm addressing the other query also which is connected to this, that if I'm taking the exam together, FRM and CFA level 1, how should I plan it? In the sense, suppose you have a November exam, okay, which is your FRM level 1 exam, then immediately after that in the month of Feb, you can go for CFA level 1. That is one way you can do it. Or else you can go for May and August. So May is FRM level 1 and CFA level 1 in the month of August. Okay. Now the reason I'm taking a very small gap, because ideally you will need some time to prepare that 1 or 2, 3 books which is not there in FRM as an extra part in your CFA content. Okay. And obviously you will start the preparation slightly early, but since there is 40% overlap in the content, it will be easy for you to pick up the content for CFA also. In fact, you will find CFA a lot more easier if you have read the FRM content properly. Okay, that has been what I've seen students getting that vibe and feeling. And also I've seen the content. I know that the CFA content, level 1 content, is slightly easy as compared to the FRM level 1 content. So addressing the query, if you plan to go for both CFA and FRM, clear FRM level 1, then go for CFA level 1 and level 2. Okay, if you're planning to give both, then schedule it in such a way that FRM level 1 is first and then CFA level 1. Like for example, November and Feb, and May and August. Okay, I hope this video helps you in your decision making for the exam. Thank you very much, guys.